place. Making a quick stroll through the old junkyard. We'll see if there's anything here. I'm down here in Youngstown picking up a Mustang, so I don't know. We'll check it out. Just another Saturday. Walking through the junkyard. Love this shit, man. I'm telling you what. We get to pick up a Mustang too, so I'm gonna go ahead and film that on here as well. So stick around towards the end of the video. We're basically, what brought me back here is row 312. Like, you can check inventory every so often, and I wanted to see if there was a couple more spindle sets. We have some interest in more spindles. See, like, yeah, they took these off right here, no big deal. Now, I know there's more, like, Mustangs here for spindles, but row 312 supposedly has 2 Explorers and 1 Mountaineer on it. So I think it's the one where, you know, we took the spindles off this red convertible. If this looks familiar, I don't believe this was here, but I took that right there. I think this is probably 312 right here. Yeah, I love going through the junkyard, man. Check out what's over here. I think they were actually posting this row up, so I'll check these 2 rows. Just a stroll through the junkyard, guys. They were putting this row down last time I was here a couple weeks ago. But I didn't see anything of importance, so we'll just skip over. Yeah, so you always got to check inventory at this junkyard, and this is usually pretty normal for pull aparts or whatever. But I think I remember this row being here, and this must be, they must be working their way that way. Let's see if we can find the Explorers and the Mountaineers that are here. Supposedly have a 99 and 2 2000s, something like that. See if they got a V8 tag on them. Yep, there's one. I wonder if the motor's in it. So looks like we got a 2000 Mercury Mountaineer, and it probably has about 150,000 or so. See if I can't get this hood open. All right. See if it pops. All right, so without my tools, can't really see, but looks like the whole motor's up in there. So we bring our tools back here, we'll be able to take the heads and intake off this. You know, always a great upgrade to have for your Foxbody Mustang. Good thing I came over here because I found a second one right here. So we'll definitely come back here and pick these 2 setups for sure. Supposed to be a third one here somewhere, but I think I passed it. Let's get in the truck, and we're gonna head over and get this this Mustang. Found it on Facebook. It's been sitting on there for like months. Definitely gonna put this on the schedule though, to come and get these 2 Explorer setups. So like I said, there's a third one here, but I don't know, it's probably that white one that's over here. I don't see anything else of interest that I haven't already put in the film. Hope you guys enjoy this stuff. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, so we found this Mustang that was wrecked up here near the pull apart, and kind of made a couple things happen all at once today. You know, I got a chance to see my son on some sports. I was with him all morning, which is really cool. And then you know, I said, you know what, I'm gonna go over to the pull apart and see if they got any Explorers or Mountaineers and, you know, Mustangs and stuff, you know, stuff for, you know, good parts to pick. So you know, I always like to just pop up to pull apart once in a while, and, you know, I'll check the websites. And, you know, recently, this past, I don't know, it's been about a week or so, a couple Explorers got stopped, which you guys just seen. So we're gonna go over here. It's you know, not all Fox bodies really kind of have a happy ending. Pretty sure this car, it's not only a 4-cylinder, but it's just a parts car. I'm gonna pull some parts out of it and just scrap it. It's been hit, it's really rusty, and just not probably worth the attention. So we'll be there in about 15 minutes, and I'll get a little bit of film of it. Probably won't film me actually putting it on, you know, me actually meeting the person, because I'm gonna leave that off film for now. But stick around, get a chance to look at this parts car. And this is pretty much what we were talking about earlier. We went while we were strolling through the junkyard. We actually was looking at this Foxbody for a couple weeks now. It wasn't but, you know, 5 minutes from where the junkyard was that we just would have did a stroll through. But you can see, man, this is unfortunate. You know, even as far as the rust, I mean, look how bad it is. And I mean, I don't need to tell you, you guys watch my channel, you know how bad it is here in Ohio. This is how delicate these cars really are. I mean, they don't take much to ruin them in the front. And can that be fixed? Well, yeah, obviously. That's not that bad of a deal. You know, when you start getting into bending the arm up top here, then you start getting into some real damage. There's a lot of core support aftermarket options for Fox bodies out there, as you guys see in my SSP. But going through the car, you know, there's not much difference between a 5.0 and a 4-cylinder as far as body is concerned. Outside of the driveline itself, they're almost the same car. I mean, you had some different interior options. The gas lines were a little bit different. You know, the brakes was a little bit different. So there is some things, and I'm not here to, you know, discuss them all. But as far as the body itself, a lot of the interior pieces can be salvaged. That's a really nice dash for the most part. All the harnesses, minus the actual engine harnesses, are the same. That includes the body and the hatch, the fuel pump, you know, the dash harness is the same. You know, you get into the engine management stuff, and then it starts being a little bit different. So, you know, I picked the car up for like 400 bucks. And it sat on Facebook for, you know, a number of months, to be honest with you. Nobody never really came and bought it. So, you know, it had some nice taillights in it. Nonetheless, it's just a good parts car. And it's something that I'm gonna make sure that we go ahead and we try our best to, you know, get every piece and every bolt out of it that's salvageable for the most part. All right, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you for this video. Took a stroll through the junkyard, picked up a Foxbody, another one for some parts. I mean, this is where we're at. You know, you gotta take care of what we got and salvage what we can to keep our Foxbody genre alive here. A lot of aftermarket parts can go to fix something like that, but this sort of car kind of has seen its day. I mean, I don't even know what that is. I mean, somebody tried to actually fix the strut rot. That's not gonna work that way. Just a short video today. So we strolled through the junkyard, found a couple GT40 heads, you know, found a car that had been sitting on, you know, a marketplace for a long time that we're gonna go ahead and try to get as many parts as we can out of it to help some of the other projects that we have here at the shop, etc. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up on the way out. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. We have a join button there if you're curious about joining the channel. Membership has its perks to being a member of the channel. But outside of that, I just appreciate you guys watching the video. I will see you soon in the next one. Stay tuned.